Hey there, manifesting mavens. So, you've read the books, you've made the vision boards, you've whispered affirmations into your smoothie, and yet no yacht, no soulmate, no spontaneous six-pack abs. What gives? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to dive into why you might be manifesting wrong and how to turn that around faster than you can say the universe has my back. First things first, let's get real. Manifesting isn't magic. It may feel like that, may sound like it should be, but it really isn't. You can't just light a candle, declare I'm a billionaire, and then go back to binge watching Netflix. If that worked, the economy would collapse under the sheer number of self-proclaimed millionaires watching Love Island. Manifestation is about aligning your energy with your goals. And yes, putting in some actual work. Sorry, but the universe is not your personal DoorDash for dreams. Here's the first mistake people make. Focusing on what they want instead of why they want it. So, say you're manifesting a fancy sports car. Cool. But why? Is it because you want to feel successful, confident, or just look cool in traffic jams? If you're focusing on the feelings behind the desire, you might realize you don't actually need a car payment the size of your rent to feel good about yourself. Maybe it's more about creating a lifestyle where you feel free and abundant. Clarity is key, folks. Now, let's talk about the second mistake. You're manifesting from a place of lack. This is like saying, I want to be rich, while also constantly stressing about being broke. That's like trying to swim upstream while holding an anchor. The universe doesn't respond well to desperation. It responds to gratitude. Instead of whining about why you don't have, or try to appreciate what you do have. Say, thank you for my abundance, even if that abundance is just a free coffee refill at Starbucks or a well-timed parking spot. Gratitude shifts your vibe from please save me to I'm ready for more. Another classic manifestation flop is being vague. Saying I want love is like ordering food at a restaurant. You get something, sure, but it might not be anything you'd actually want to eat. Be specific. Instead of just manifesting love, try envisioning a partner who's kind, adventurous, shares your passion for late-night taco runs. The clearer you are, the better the universe can deliver. The universe is not a mind reader. It's more like a cosmic Uber Eats. Oh, and let's address one final issue. You're trying to control every detail. Manifesting isn't about micromanaging the universe. It's about setting intentions and trusting the process. Think of it like planting a garden. You plant the seeds, you water them, and you let them grow. You don't dig them up every hour yelling, "Are you sprouting yet?" That's how you kill the vibe and the plants. So, how do you manifest the right way? Get clear on your desires, focus on your feelings, practice gratitude, and then be specific and let it go. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes. And remember, manifesting isn't about getting stuff. It's about becoming the kind of person who attracts the life you want. Now go out there, dream big, and manifest like a superstar that you are. And if you do end up with a yacht, invite me to the party, okay? And leave us a comment down below if you have any questions, success stories, or ideas on what you'd like to know more about in the law of attraction and manifesting your dreams. See you next time.